In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and switch to manual CPC in Google Ads in just 5 minutes. This process is quite straightforward and can significantly enhance your control over advertising expenditures by letting you manually decide your bids. So, first things first, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL ads.google.com, which will take you to the Google Ads website where you can manage all your advertising needs. Once you reach the homepage, you'll see a Sign In button, most likely at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to access your Google Ads account. If prompted, enter your login credentials. It's crucial to have them handy to smoothly proceed with this process. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads home, which serves as the dashboard for all your campaigns and settings. From this dashboard, you'll be able to oversee various ad aspects. Next, you need to locate and click on Campaigns, which is usually listed in the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Once you're in your Campaigns view, you should see a list of all the campaigns you've created. Choose the campaign that you want to adjust by clicking on it. Selecting the right campaign is a key step, so make sure you are indeed working with the campaign you intend to modify. After selecting your campaign, you'll be redirected to its overview page. Look for the edit option, often represented by a small pencil icon or a button expressly labeled edit. Click on it to start making changes to your campaign settings. This is the stage where you'll begin to navigate towards switching your bidding strategy. Now, within the editing options, find and click on the Change Bid Strategy link or button. Changing your bid strategy is a pivotal action, as it directly impacts how much you're willing to bid on keywords and therefore can influence your ad performance and budget. Once you've accessed the bid strategy page, you'll see a list of available bidding strategies. Scan through this list and find Manual CPC. Click on it to activate this bidding method. Opting for Manual CPC is a great way to take the reins on your ad spend, since it allows you greater control over individual keyword bids rather than relying on automated systems. After selecting the Manual CPC option, ensure that all other required fields are properly set and updated. You might want to double check each of the parameters to prevent any errors in setup. With everything checked and confirmed, your campaign is now set to operate under manual CPC, giving you full command over the bid amounts. And just like that, you've successfully switched to manual CPC. Remember, greater control means greater responsibility, so keep monitoring your campaigns to ensure they're performing optimally.